Here's a great deal on a 2017 Ford F-150. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.